Today is the Aradhana Mahotsava of a great Mahan Shri Sripadarajaru. He was a saint and also a king. Yes, you heard me right. Being a sannyasi, he inculcated bhakti in the minds of people, bestowed them with jnana, and he led a perfectly renounced life. And on the other hand, as a king, he solved the problems of the poor, providing them with all the necessity. Even the smarana of his name today is enough for us to be bestowed with all forms of opulence. Sri Sripadarajaru was a preeminent saint of 15th century, is a profound scholar of Dvaita Vedanta, who wrote this lucid commentary Vagvajra to one of the magnum opus Grantha Nyaya Sudha of Sri Jayatirtharu. Though his ashrama nama was Lakshmi Narayana Tirtharu, he was popularly called as Sri Sripadarajaru, a name given to him by Raghunatha Tirtharu, who perceived the extraordinary talent and magnanimous skills that Sripadarajaru had and exhibited in one of his speeches. Shri Krishnarpanamastu.